it was a very cheerful and lively visit today. Nakitaan sa mong papa, yung mga girls. Actually, as we entered the room, nandun na siya. She was early today, maybe because alam niya kami dalawa yung bibisita. So, she was early today and nakatalikod siya. So pagpasok namin, nakatalikod na. I shouted, Nada Rudy! Tapos paglikod niya, ayun, na-smile. And then, syempre, nag-beso kami, nagmano, nag-hug. And then sabi niya, my little girls. So yun yung tawag niya sa amin ng sister ko, si ate Vicky Sara. Little girls niya daw. So, today, medyo mahaba yung kwentuhan. And he was, ayun, bumalik yung pagka-humorous niya. Kaming dalawa yung nandun. And he was even, joking around kasi may microphone dun, pinatabunan niya, tapos ganyan na naman. And pinakausap niya yung whoever's monitoring it. So yeah, it was a very parang cheerful visit today. He was instructing my sister and I kung ano yung mga bilhin niya sa amin. And